Okay, so this tutorial is just a quick one. We're going to go kind of fast and set up an email with Thunderbird that you can download for free. Just go to new and then go ahead and scroll down to get a new mail account. If you don't have an email, you can sign up for one, or most of us already have one, so we're just going to go down to the bottom and skip this, use my existing email. And then just go ahead and type in your email. I'm setting one up for Corey at Beloved Rain, so I'm just going to put Corey at belovedrains.com. You'll just put in your own domain, and then you'll also put in your own password. And then go ahead and click continue. Now, I'm going to stop this. I'm going to click POP3 and go to manual config just to show you how to set it up manually as well. Make sure you have POP3 selected. And then your username, you're going to want to ask your admin, but 9 times out of 10 it's just going to be your email address. So go ahead and type your email address, and also make sure your incoming and outgoing is mail.your domain, whatever that may be, in this case belovedrains.com, .net, .org, whatever it is. And then go ahead and retest that and click done, and just like that you're set up and ready to go. And I know that went kind of fast, so I also have on Blueprint Worldwide website a step-by-step tutorial for you, or you can just place the video on pause whenever you need to and start from wherever you left off. We're just going to do a test email here, and this is a warning that you'll get. Go ahead and just confirm security exception. Just depending on what port you have, this may come up, so just confirm that. And that get mail is how you're going to go ahead and receive your mail. So it's just like for those of you who've used Outlook, the send and receive, you can click the get mail whenever you just want to go ahead and see what the newest emails are, or set it up so that it can automatically come in every minute, 5 minutes, or however you would like. You can also, it's easy to write emails. The tabs are really functional. It's a really user friendly setup, and it's free. So you can go to Google, type in Thunderbird, and then download it. But like I said, the links for the download will be in the description. And it's very step-by-step. You click download, you wait for the to pop up, and it downloads. Right here you can change server settings, add signatures, remove your account, set accounts as default, add other accounts, and that's by going to tools and then account options. So pretty simple, pretty fast. But if you have any other questions, feel free to go ahead and leave an email if there's something you need set up or didn't understand. Just drop us a line and we'll make sure we take care of that for you. All right, appreciate it.